Hey, what's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a queue, which is essentially being able to complete, say, 10 calls, but in a very fast manner. So the tasks that are automatically created in the email sequences that we send are like call, contact, and leave voicemail, are automatically created in our sales section of the dashboard. So what we're going to do here is we're going to hover over sales. We're going to go to tasks, and then you can filter it by the individual. I'm going to click up here, and then I'm going to click Start Queue. Start Queue is automatically going to put all these guys essentially kind of in a lineup for me to be able to just contact them very fast instead of having to go to each individual contact. So look, I can just the current task is up here, and I'm going to go ahead and just call right here, and click First Call with Lead, my playbook, and then scroll down and just look at the project details really quick. Perfect. So. Okay, so for this person, I don't actually have a phone number, so I'm just going to go ahead and go here to skip, click on that. Okay, so Troy Campbell, I'm going to skip him too because I called him yesterday. I don't need to call him again right now because he's going to go ahead and just book a time with us. So I'm going to go ahead and just click. Actually, you know what? It may be a good time for me to call him. I'm going to go ahead and call him and see if I can get in contact with him again because I got in contact with him yesterday. I'll take y'all along for the ride. Perfect.
Please leave your message for 50570900608.
Hey, Troy, this is Tony Gosselin. We spoke yesterday about moving forward with marketing plan and just talking more about it. Just wanted to see if you had a chance to connect today and talk a little bit more about next steps, or if you have any questions for me to answer them. You can give me a call back at 832-628-3810. But I've also sent an email where you can just book a time there for us to talk about next steps. Thank you so much, and have a great day. So I'm going to select an outcome, left to voicemail, select call type, and then just do first outreach, and then save call and complete task. Cool. So then I have 3 tasks remaining. I'm going to click next, and it's going to bring me to the next contact. So it works very fast. I'm going to click skip because I already got in contact with her and she wants to talk later. I'm going to click skip, and I'm coming to this guy. And so right here, I'm going to go ahead and go up here and click call from browser, first call with lead.
We're sorry. You have reached a number that has been disconnected or is no longer in service. If you feel you have reached this recording in error, please check the area code and the number and...
So for this one, I want to go to the sheets and I want to put a note for Wix that it was the disconnected number. Okay, well, guys, that's it. Once I click skip, then it'll just bring me back to that sales page. Every single day, you can just click on that, create your queue, and it should help you be able to call, say, 10, 15, 50 contacts a lot faster than having to go to each individual one.